Ms. Muthambi.
Muthambi uyakuphika ukuthi wahlinzeka umndeni wakwaGupta ngemininingwane yomnyango wezokuxhumana eyimfihlo ngesikhathi esaphethe lomnyango. Uyakuphika nokuthi wayedlulisela imiyalelo yomndeni wakwaGupta kowayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma.
Yes, I would say I disagree with the content of this paragraph. And I'm saying my answer, this is not correct. No one has the power to instruct the president. Nobody has got that power.
uGigaba echaza kabanzi ngokuthi wahlangana kanjani nezelamani zakwaGupta. Uthi wahlangana nazo ngesikhathi esengumengameli wophiko lentsha ye-ANC, waphinde wakhumbula nangesikhathi eyolanda imemo emahhovisini yenkampani yomndeni wakwaGupta iSahara Computers. uGigaba uthi ubudlelwane bakhe nalomndeni kwakuyinto engatheni ephinde ithinte namasiko kepha hayi ezamabhizinisi. Uthi waqala ukunciphisa ekuvakasheleni emzini walomndeni oseSaxon World ngo-2014. Uchaze izinsolo zikaNoma Gigaba ngaphambi kwale khomishana njengamanga kanye nezinto ayisusele ekhanda lakhe.
And as I say, I had no business dealings. So whatever interactions with them were just social, and there were no expectations of me. Probably if you go, even by the testimony of the previous witness, I did not deliver anything. I just simply did my work, and whomsoever I knew them, and my knowledge of them had no impact on the work that I was expected to deliver.
uGigaba utshelele khomishana ukuthi wayengazi ukuthi izitimela ezathengwa yiTransnet ngo-2014 eziyinkulungwane namashumi ayisithupha ezayibiza amabhiliyoni angu-54.4 zazingayilungele imizila yakuleli.
Was not aware of Mr. Essa's involvement or alleged involvement in this process, including the issues that the evidence leader has just provided, the movement of a company to Durban and other negotiations that were taking place apparently illicitly. I was not aware of those things, and certainly had they been brought to my attention, I would have put it on record in my conversations with the board of Transnet that there is a huge anomaly that is taking place here.
uGigaba obethulwe ubufakazi obuthinta iTransnet ngesikhathi engungqongqoshe wenkampani eyingamabhizinisi ombuso. Uthe akazange axoxisane nowabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ngokuqoka kabusha kukaSiyabonga Gama njengesikhulu seTransnet. uGigaba uzophinde abuye ngelinye ilanga ezoqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi.